Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the importance of having a personal website. Now you might be wondering, do I really need a personal website in this day and age? I mean, can't I just use social media to represent myself online? Well, it's true that social media can be a great way to connect with others and share your thoughts and ideas. It is not the best platform for building a professional online presence. Here are a few reasons why creating a personal website is still important. A personal website gives you control over your identity. When you create a personal website, you have full control over what information is displayed and how it is presented. This allows you to carefully craft your online identity and present yourself in the way that you want to be seen. It can help you establish credibility and build your reputation. When you have a personal website, it shows that you are serious about your career or personal brand and are committed to maintaining a professional online presence. This can help you stand out from competition and establish credibility in your field. It can be a great way to showcase your work and accomplishments, whether you are a writer, an artist, a blogger, or entrepreneur, or even a software engineer. A personal website is a great place to display your portfolio and highlight your accomplishments. This can help you attract new opportunities and collaborations. It can be a powerful tool for networking. Having a personal website allows you to easily share your contact information and connect with others in the industry. This can especially be valuable if you're looking to make new connections or build relationships with potential clients or partners. As you see, creating a personal website is still important and it is a great way to control your online identity, establish credibility, showcase your work, and network with others. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips